Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. If you're new, my name is Martha. On this channel, I talk about wig making tutorials, I do natural hair guidance and some little bit of cooking. Mostly, to be specific, I do snacking. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about wig. It's a wig tutorial and guess what? It's this wig that you see here. I know you wouldn't expect it to be a wig. It looks exactly like hair. So I tell you the truth, this is a wig and this is the video that you're going to watch how I came up with such a very beautiful and confusing wig. So I would advise everyone who is growing your natural hair to always have a wig around because we protect our hair from ourselves, from our hands, because the more you touch your hair, the more you lose some. So you have to have a wig for in case your hair is under protection. And of course, I wouldn't advise anybody to be styling your hair every day and letting your hair be out. So one other option is to look for a wig that looks good on you, that you wear and feel comfortable. And I think this is one of them. This is a wig that would confuse them. Nobody will know it's not your hair. So we're going deep into the video. Please stay tuned and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for a lot of other things. Trust me, we are going to have a lot. You're going to just have everything you have ever dreamed to have. So let's go deep into the video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.
Give me your loyalty, cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. To give me your loyalty, cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're going to try whatever you have seen. And lastly, this is, I've just turned it into an afro. The other time it was parted and now it's an afro. And as well, I'm showing you another design or style you can style it. So you just have to have like a scarf or something, and then just pass it and you're good to go. Yeah, so this is some must-have wig for somebody who wants to really grow beautiful natural hair, because it's going to give you that freedom, and also you're going to be confident enough to move around because it's a wig and nobody knows it's a wig. So why not? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together. Let's learn a lot of things from each other. Alright guys, thank you so much. Take care. I love you. Bye bye.